what you need to say, we're diving into the secret sauce of persuasive language, modality. What is modality? Simply put, it's how you express certainty and obligation. Think of it like a volume knob for your words. Low modality is soft and uncertain, using words like might, could, or perhaps. High modality is loud and confident, using words like must, will, and definitely. For example, it might rain is low modality. It's a guess. It will rain is high modality. That's a confident prediction. In a formal essay, you want to sound like an expert. So instead of writing, "I think Shakespeare's play is about revenge," you'd write, "Shakespeare's play is undoubtedly about revenge." See the difference? "I think" is weak and personal. "Undoubtedly" is strong and academic. But don't overuse it. A text full of must and always can sound aggressive. The trick is to balance it. Use high modality for your main points and low modality for acknowledging other views. For instance, while some critics suggest the ending is ambiguous, the text clearly supports a tragic interpretation. You've shown you've considered other ideas, but you're still in control of your argument. So next time you write, think of yourself as a DJ, adjusting the volume of your words. Are you making a suggestion or a command? Are you presenting a fact or a possibility? Mastering modality will make your writing more persuasive, nuanced, and powerful.